What if the biggest thing standing between you and financial freedom isn't your paycheck, but the stuff crammed into your closets? What if the path to a bigger bank account wasn't about complex spreadsheets, but simply letting go of things you don't use? I used to be stuck in a loop. Work harder, make more money, yet never feel secure. My money just vanished into a black hole of stuff. Then I realized the secret to paying off debt and saving more wasn't about what I could get, but what I could get rid of. In this video, I'll show you the hidden money benefits of minimalism that can transform your finances, starting today. The world constantly screams, more is better, but this chase has a hidden price. According to the Federal Reserve, total household debt in the U.S. has climbed to a record of nearly $18.6 trillion. At the same time, recent studies from 2025 show that around 62 to 67% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. That's a heavy weight to carry. But there's a way out. Minimalism is a shift in thinking. It's about being intentional with what you own and what you value. It's not about deprivation. It's about reclaiming your freedom, financial freedom. It's about discovering there's more joy and wealth in owning less than you'll ever find in chasing more. So, let's get into the 5 money principles of minimalism that can grow your bank account and put you back in control. Benefit 1. The decisive end of impulse spending. The fastest financial win for minimalism is the death of impulse spending. How many times have you gone to a store for one thing and left with 5? Recent data shows that a huge number of shoppers, around 84%, admit to making impulse purchases. This is consumer culture. We're hit with ads and sales designed to make us buy without thinking. Minimalism breaks that cycle. It forces you to pause and ask a powerful question before every purchase. Do I really need this? That pause is everything. It creates a gap between impulse and action. A simple trick is the 24-hour rule. See something you want? Wait 24 hours. You'll be shocked how often that must-have feeling just fades. And just like that, you've saved money for something that actually matters, like an extra debt payment or a savings boost. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being strategic. When you stop the constant drain from impulse buys, you're plugging a massive leak in your financial boat. That money adds up to thousands of dollars you can use to build actual wealth, not a mountain of clutter. Benefit 2. The automatic reduction of your monthly bills. A major benefit of minimalism is how it naturally shrinks your monthly bills. We focus on an item's price tag, but forget the lifetime cost of owning it, maintenance, energy, or just the space it occupies. Housing is the biggest one. A minimalist mindset might lead you to downsize your home. A smaller space means a smaller mortgage or rent, lower utility bills, and less money spent on furniture. This one decision can free up hundreds, even thousands of dollars every month. It goes beyond your house. Do you need a huge, expensive vehicle with high insurance and gas costs? Or could a smaller, fuel-efficient car work just as well? Driving a reliable used car instead of a new one can slash your monthly payments. And then there are the sneaky subscriptions, streaming services you barely watch, a gym membership you feel guilty about, or subscription boxes that just deliver more clutter. A minimalist audit of your bank statement gives you permission to be ruthless. Cutting just a few of these can easily save you $50 to $100 a month. That's over $1,000 a year. The formula is simple. Owning less means needing less space, energy, and money to maintain it all. Your lifestyle naturally becomes cheaper, freeing up a huge chunk of your income. Benefit 3. Unlocking the hidden treasure in your clutter. Your clutter is more than a mess. It's a hidden savings account. Nearly every home has a gold mine of stuff that's no longer used or wanted. That old exercise bike, those kitchen gadgets still in their boxes, the clothes you haven't worn in years, every one of those things is trapped cash. Minimalism gives you the perfect reason to turn that clutter back into money. The decluttering process is a financial recovery mission. As you sort your stuff, make a pile of things to sell. It's never been easier with platforms like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and Poshmark. Selling your unwanted items gives you an immediate shot of cash. You can use that found money to make a lump sum payment on a high-interest credit card or finally start that emergency fund. Earning several hundred or even a few $1,000s from selling things you don't need anymore is a realistic goal for most people. This process changes how you see your possessions and makes you a much smarter shopper in the future. If you're finding these ideas helpful, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We're about to get into how this locks in long-term wealth, and you won't want to miss it. Benefit 4. Building immunity to lifestyle inflation. This next benefit is what truly changes the game for your long-term wealth, building immunity to lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation, or lifestyle creep, is when the more money you make, the more you spend. You get a raise, so you get a bigger apartment. A promotion leads to a fancier car. Soon you're earning more, but still living paycheck to paycheck. This is the trap that keeps many high earners from building real wealth. Minimalism is the ultimate defense. It's not tied to how much you earn. It's about you deciding what enough means, separate from your paycheck. When you've already built a life around what you truly value, you aren't tempted to upgrade everything with each pay raise. You realize a bigger house or a luxury car doesn't automatically make you happier. Your joy comes from experiences in freedom, not stuff. This creates an incredible financial opportunity. As your income goes up, you can keep your cost of living flat. That gap between what you earn and what you spend is pure financial power you can use to max out retirement accounts, invest, or pay off your mortgage early. This is how you build an engine for creating wealth. Benefit 5. The simplicity of minimalist investing. Finally, this mindset can simplify your investment portfolio, making it less stressful and more effective. The investing world, like the consumer world, tries to make you feel like you need more complicated funds, more active trading, more stress. Financial minimalism cuts through that noise with a simple, low-cost, hands-off approach. The idea is to use the fewest investments needed for broad diversification. For many, this just means a few broad market index funds, or ETFs. Some simplify it even further with a single target date fund. This strategy has huge advantages. First, it slashes fees. Actively managed funds have high expense ratios that silently eat your returns. Index funds have incredibly low fees, meaning more of your money works for you. Second, it simplifies your life. Instead of tracking dozens of stocks, you only have a few things to check on. This reduces the temptation to constantly tinker, a habit that often leads to worse results. The philosophy is to buy and hold for the long term. As you can see, the money benefits of minimalism are about more than just cleaning out your garage. It's a complete shift in your relationship with money. It starts by killing impulse spending and plugging budget leaks. It naturally lowers your monthly bills and helps you turn clutter into cash. But the most powerful benefits are long-term. Minimalism is your best defense against lifestyle inflation, and it simplifies your investing, putting your financial growth on a clear, automated path. Minimalism isn't about what you lose, it's about what you gain: financial peace, a bigger savings account, and the freedom to focus on what truly matters.